Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yet another interesting episode for my viewers today. Stay tuned and watch till the end to get full information. Lemons are one of the most beneficial fruits on the planet, and due to their countless health benefits and unique flavor and scent, they are added to various recipes. Lemons are excellent for detoxification of the body, but when juiced, the lemon loses many of its nutrients and a great part of the medicinal potential. On the other hand, freezing it is a better option. The peel of the lemon strengthens the immune system and offers numerous health properties like regulating cholesterol, preventing cancer, treating bacterial infections, and destroying parasites and worms. These are the health benefits of this miraculous fruit: prevention of asthma, fighting inflammation, detoxification of the kidneys and the liver, boosting the immune system, regulation of high blood pressure, elimination of harmful bacteria, treating depression and stress, fighting cancer. The lemon juice is extremely high in vitamin C, while its rind is effective in eliminating toxins from the body. Studies have shown that the lemon peel actually contains 5 to 10 times more vitamins. Decades ago, scientists examined the effects of lemon in the case of cancer. What they found was that these fruits eradicate malignant cells in several types of cancers, including lung, breast, and colon cancer. What's best about this all is that lemons, unlike chemotherapy, target only the cancerous cells and do not affect the healthy ones. According to Dr. Marilyn, a nutritionist and expert on women's health, the peels from various fruits can boost the immune system and support overall health. She also claims that smoothies are far healthier than juices, as they also contain other parts of the fruit, including the peel. Lemon smoothies have a bitter taste, so the following option to freeze them is the one we strongly advise. Therefore, here is how to freeze lemons. Use apple cider vinegar to wash and disinfect the lemons. Then rinse them and leave them to dry. Next, leave them to freeze until the next morning, and then grate the entire fruit along with the peel, pulp, and seeds to various dishes, smoothies, tea, baked goods, desserts, and soups. Stay healthy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more recipes, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.